All right, hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And in the premium video for Friday, I'm actually spending about 35 or 40 minutes going into a big picture outlook. I do see a recession hitting us Q3 of 2019. I point out the data for that, as well as some trade ideas around it. So be sure to check that out. If you have any questions about it, you can hit me up in the room. So for the free video, we're going to be looking at some weekly charts here with the 100 period moving average on the weekly chart, and then the 200 period moving average. So right now you can see we're hard retest of these recent lows into the rising 100 period moving average there on the Qs. If we look at the spiders here, same idea. Hard retest of these levels, and just no buyers coming in at this point. And I'll talk more about this in the big picture outlook as to what's going on here. Looking at IWM, holding up a little bit better, and in fact was able to rebound kind of towards the end of today. And then of course the diamonds and the S&Ps looking about the same. If we dig in here and look at the transports, you can see the transportation sector actually showing a bullish divergence here. That is positive for the short term. However, Apple leading the way lower, and Apple's a major part of every index out there, of course, except the Russell. And if we look at Google, you can see it's been fighting with that 100 period weekly. Amazon, still well off of it, and able to kind of end the week on a positive note there. And then Netflix, you can see coming down to test it. And then of course we take a look at Facebook, we can see that Facebook has just been slow bleed. So the question in terms of what this means for the markets next week, again, if we go back to the transportation sector, there are some positive divergences here, and the worst time to short, of course, is the dead lows, or the worst time to short is when things look their bleakest, right? In terms of a safe short, I'm still looking at any significant rallies from here as a short, and keep in mind that if ultimately we are going to roll over in a big way, we would want to see another move up to form essentially that right shoulder in there. All right, so again, right here, just be careful on the short side. The short side has been fun, but we could rebound hard at any minute here, and so just ratchet those down. All right, we'll continue these thoughts in the big picture outlook in the premium video, and you guys have a great weekend.